equation for torque experienced on Bohr magnet as well as work done by the Bohr magnet in the uniform magnetic field. What is the equation for torque experienced on the Bohr magnet in the magnetic field is tau is equal to mb sin theta. Now in this class we want to find time period of Bohr magnet in the magnetic field. Time period of Bohr magnet in the magnetic field means when a Bohr magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field, it makes oscillations. Number of oscillations in 1 second is called frequency. Number of oscillations in 1 second is called frequency, denoted by the n. Finally, we can get that equation. Next, one oscillation made by the Bohr magnet in the magnetic field is time period. What happens in the magnetic field? It makes the oscillation. Time taken for one oscillation means from here to here and here to here. It is called time period, means time taken for one oscillation is time period. Now we want to derive the equation for the time period, then after the frequency. Now let us see how we can get it. You must know about all the equations up to which we are covered, then only it is very easy to solve. Now, we know that in the previous class we have studied torque experienced on the Bohr magnet in the uniform magnetic field. What is the principle? Tau is equal to mb sin theta. What is tau is equal to mb sin theta? It is the torque experienced on the Bohr magnet in the uniform magnetic field. Okay, if angle is very small, for small angle we know the condition, sin theta is theta. For small angle, what is the condition? Sin theta is theta. That's why in the place of sin theta, we are taken theta as equation 1. Tau is equal to mb into theta. Tau, torque, m, magnetic moment, b, uniform magnetic field, theta, angular displacement. And we know another equation for the torque. Tau is equal to I alpha. Tau is equal to I alpha. What is I? Moment of inertia. What is I? Moment of inertia. What is alpha? Angular acceleration. Okay? This equation we have studied in first year. Rotatory motion means system of particles, 7th chapter. In that one we have studied this one. Tau is equal to I alpha. I means moment of inertia. What is alpha? Angular acceleration. Okay, let us take equation 2. It is. Compare these two. I alpha is equal, you write here it is. I alpha is equal to mb into theta. You take mb here and alpha here. I by mb is equal to theta by alpha. Let us take equation 3. And again we know the equation for the time period in the rotatory motion. What is the equation for the time period in the rotatory motion? Time period is equal to 2 pi root angular displacement by angular acceleration. Angular displacement by angular acceleration. What is the symbol for angular displacement? Theta. What is the symbol for angular acceleration? Alpha. So we can write here theta is equal to 2 pi root theta by alpha. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. T square 4 pi square theta by alpha. Take 4 pi square in the denominator, theta by alpha, equation 3. And compare equation 3 and equation 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Now theta t square by 4 pi square. Theta by alpha is how much? I by mb. Then after t square is equal, you take 4 pi square again here. 4 pi square I by me. Then t is equal to pi root I by mb. Okay. What is the equation for the time period of the Bohr magnet? The time period of the Bohr magnet is taken the uniform magnetic field, capital T is equal to pi root I by mb. T is equal to pi root I by mb. We know that reciprocal of time period is frequency, means n is equal to 1 by capital T. Then you substitute n is equal to 1 by 2 pi root mb by I, root mb by I. This is the frequency. This is the time period and this is the frequency. Okay, what is the I? I is the moment of inertia. What is the moment of inertia of a Bohr magnet? The moment of inertia of the Bohr magnet is m by 12 L square plus B square. What is the m? Mass of Bohr magnet. What is L? Length of Bohr magnet. What is B? Breadth of Bohr magnet. Okay, this is also one of the topic in our syllabus. Maybe we can get, otherwise we will get a problem.